I think you really will enjoy today. I want you to be comfortable. You look good, so that's first thing. And you're very talented, so we're looking forward to going through these activities with you and also learning from you.
General Motors. It's a fascinating company, founded in 1908, as most of you probably know. So here we are 111 years in, a century-old company, and it is more exciting now than it's ever been. If you love cars, if you love mobility, love the idea of saving lives and sustaining our planet, this is really an amazing place to work.
Each and every one of you and me were born with the ability to make and keep a promise. When each and every one of us, on our shoulders and on our backs, takes the burden of a promise. It is a belief in the power of a single individual and the personal responsibility we should hold to shape this world into something better.
I grew up in a non-English speaking home. Wow.
Lots of issues management, lots of crisis management. Journalists call, they have questions about what our corporate stance is on a particular issue. I was on the team that helped cover those things.